will talk about how can you get car rental on your Booking.com app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app to reserve car rental. So all you have to do, you just go above car rental, click on it here. So when you click here on car rental, it's going to take you to this list, and you just click here on search here. So or here you pick location here, add here location you want to looking for, and you here select here your ditch. So select here this ditch here for your arrive, and so here for your when you go here you add this ditch, and here when you arrive you add when you want to uh, so go back you add this ditch here, and you click here on drive edge. So then you click here on search, then it's going to search for you. That's all. So I'm going to click here for example this here, and I'm going to click here. I'm going to add here this so this location, and I'm going to click on search. Then it's going to take us to this list. Just waiting to open with us. I'm going to rental this car here. I'm going to click on it here. So then all you have to do, you just click here on next step. Then it's going to take us to this list here. So in here we will find price, uh, and all you have. So this like this say here your owner car insurance is unlucky to cover his your car. So I have no insurance here. So it's have any insurance this car. So you just click here on go to book which for protection here. So then here you click here on next step again. Then it's going to take you here to add your main drive details here, and you click on next step here again when you follow all this list. So then it's going to receive this car with you. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.